LED. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. So you have your little charging bay on here, and when it's charging, it's going to light up blue. It is wireless, but to charge this actual unit, you can go ahead and power that with this. Now each light you just tap. So it's blinking. It's actually not blinking on. Yeah, it's just doing that because of the LED is so low. But you can turn it, the brightness up, and then the blinking stops. Now that's only on camera. It's not blinking in person. It just, that's how cameras are. So when it dims down lower. So this actually lights up a lot of area. So you can see it's pretty dark over in this corner here. But with this, it lights up. And again, you just tap and hold, and it dims it down lower. And it goes very low. And you tap and hold, and it gets much brighter. Then you just tap to turn it off. And I love this. I love that it's tap, it's quiet. So you just tap to turn on, tap to turn off. This is actually really nice. And then you can stack them as well. So if you want to stack them up, it's just awesome.